Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2021 Chevy Camaro and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlight, and this is how it looks after the installation. So tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be in the section below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So to prep it, all you need to apply is Slip Solution onto the lens. Grab a clean microfiber towel and start removing any contaminants that the headlight may have. Okay, so to start with the installation, all you need to do is apply Slip Solution to the headlight and apply Slip Solution to the tint film. And with this one, just align it to the headlight here and everything should fall into place. So align it on this section first, make sure everything is aligned. Once you have it aligned, lift the film carefully and apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. Keep it aligned, hold it in position with one hand, and with the other hand, just start tacking it down. Since it is a small area to work with, just take your time, make sure you tack down every section, and then make sure it just covers all the clear part of the headlight. So just follow the design. On this section of the headlight, just lift the film and apply Tack Solution. That way we help the adhesive activate faster. Keep it aligned and just slowly, little by little, tack everything down. And that's pretty much it. And then just make sure before you finish with the whole installation to double check and see if there's any water bubbles behind the film. If there is, just pass your squeegee to remove them. And then once you finish removing all of the solution behind the film, we could post heat the entire film. So to post heat the headlight, all you need to do is apply Tack Solution onto the lens. And we're going to need our microfiber towel to help tack down the film and also remove any solution that's behind the film. And our heat gun, we're going to apply it all over the film. That way we help the adhesive activate faster. And then once you're done with this step, you'll be done with the installation. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2021 Chevy Camaro. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.